Most people still don't know Facebook allows you to post anonymously in groups, and it only takes some few seconds to do that. In this video tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to do that. First, make sure you open a group, and then make sure you belong to this group in order to post anonymously. Remember, not every group allows you to post anonymously. The admin first need to make sure the anonymous option is enabled, then you can be able to post as anonymous. So I'm in this group and I want to post anonymous. So what I need to do is to click on, you can see where we have write something. So I'll click on over there, and then make sure where I have my name, I click on this small triangle over here, and you can see we have your name, create a nickname, and then post as anonymous member. Make sure this is turned on, and once this is turned on, if it's your first time, you get some explanation what is going to happen. Mostly when you post as anonymous, members will not see your profile, they will only see anonymous member, but me can see your details as well. So once that is done, you can see at the top here, you can see anonymous member. So when you post, that is how it's going to appear. So just write something. So let me say I'm just going to write this trying, and then I'm going to click on done, and then I'll go ahead and post this. So immediately I post this into this group, my profile and details will not show to members, but it's actually going to show as anonymous, but only admin can see my details. Like, subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.